Okay, this is the video for the sump pump discharge and where it discharges to. So there's the sump pump. You can see the float there. This is the pipe I'm touching here. It's on the discharge side, hard pipe, copper, good. So I follow this route here. This is the pipe here. Drops down right here, and then it's basically beneath this 1.5 to 2-inch pipe, condensate return, and it goes out that way. So I'm assuming it discharges to some sewer line. So it looks like we got to lift about 2.5 feet, 3 feet at most, get out of that sump, get it going. Regarding pipe length going that way, no idea. Probably at least maybe into the corridor. Maybe there's a sewer line just behind this wall. You know, ties into a main or something.